Welcome to Sesambasa Family Business. De Gusto. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Tugenda kugira kumbus. Tugenda kugira ku politics in God's farming. Ebyobufuzi mu kulunda ebuzi oba mu by'ebulimi bw'ebuzi oba mu kulunda. Politics influencing that. Bano abafuzi baffe ne gavumenti yaffe influencing tutya abafuzi be tulonda by influencing abatya for go ebuzi oba farming oba okulima. Bana katukyuse endowooza oba abafuzi bano be tulonda bakyusa kinene nnyo ku byenfuna byaffe, ku by'obulimi byaffe, ku nguzi zaffe ne bwe tulya mu zino ensonga wansi. One of the things how politics interfere with this is demand and supply. Demand and supply. Now, if you look at this narrative that you define of what has been happening between US and China, the tweets, the speeches which have been coming from presidents, and you see markets crumbling, stocks rising, prices going down, dollar is going up and down. That's when the word kicks in, inflation. This is all done, perpetrated under systems of politics. Yenarigwirawo set okugula ensete z'entumba embuzi ne z'enjigula era kivaawo sente z'enibutunda akacumu kandi kano kuwesigirwa wansi abantu abagenda ogukyumu wangu ne tushigire akacumu kano emandagala kakinda nation 10. Embuzi zikirina Uganda bwe ziba zibadde kutunda Kenya embuzi Kenya ne Uganda ne bafunamu obutakwatagana ne baggalawo booda n'ebyaliwo embuzi zitasobola genda Kenya kitegeeza embuzi zigenda kuba nnyingi mu Uganda. Supply egenda kuba ng'embuzi ziri ku market nnyingi bebaagala kutunda, demand egenda kuba esse, prices zigenda kukka wansonga ki ebyobufuzi byakyankalira nnyo. Ebyobufuzi bikyankalira mulira mu nsonga eno endala. When right now look at the situations in Uganda, it's election situations. Racket is happening. Everything is happening for the good, for the bad of anyone's interest or somebody's opinion. There are those who gain in this, there are those who lose in this. But us who are trying to break through, who are trying to break this generational curse, Jay-Z's youth, trying to be entrepreneurs, we want to learn from our elders. But what our elders teaching us? Our elders are telling us to be silent. Our elders are telling us to be less of what we want, of what we expect we deserve. Yet initially they told us that we deserve more. They have taken us to outside countries to explore. We have seen, we have felt, we have smelled, we have heard, and we have listened. Do you want us all to keep podcasting and more this? When you're telling us to set up businesses, we want to take good care of you, our fathers, our mothers, in your retirement ages, in the time when you start not feed yourself, when you get weak, when you cannot buy medication, or at the time when you cannot travel to the hospital, when I have to get my car, use it on the bad roads or good roads which are on the grounds which you made, the systems which you saw developing. How am I going to do the profits? When the cars are breaking down to just put my goat meat, yet I have to buy shocks every time. When the poor roads are there, yet I'm being taxed. Musasulo musolo. Amakuru mari. Ninakanu wakaandiketa nsinako. Business yangene yok 2 damn gooses. Nkajja ku mukyala nambi akuka blandi yetwa kubye dipande sisanga gochmi yatandika embuzi Ibinyama makulu buli kaseera ogula shoko ogula kinu okukanika kiri amagoba k'embuzi gabwiramu ebi kunafuna ddi amagoba kitegeeza ngenda kuyinisa emiwendo gyekunakanoma kano afana makulu ku ebitaano ak'embuzi gyakatunga bbiri wakinseerako omuntu wa wansi simo politics gyakula aleetebwa omuntu wa wansi okuseerebwa bad governance gyekula let us change our mindset. When you listen to this guy, it's different. Please let us send your months, let us see. Politics interferes with our businesses. Look at the prices, how they go up and down. Look at now, let's see trading. Let's go, you're gonna buy a male goat from South Africa. That's why you got a good boa, a pure boa. Look on the cost, the trading costs. The bureaucracy, the corruption. Every ole sembuzio, loksava, we know from the races, we know from the chino. I'm a takeout, and you gotta go down, but you need to be able to get to the Sasuram Solo. Ichigambu Tichikul, into a bucket to Sasuram Solo. Muafi says, we know who I can't what the political Sasuram Solo, or who I'm using paparad. Chikagiza Twanu and Dabubi, avant with what they can be said, yo. But Usambuto Zabu Tibakuyandi, singer Kariva Usambuto Zabu, Nebastimulani giving. Baino Kuya, Re, Oguri, Vasenica Kukona, Daklino Basasura, Murin, Nayaketeva, Sukakuba VD. Batukaneba Fukam, Tumbridi. Nihagaloku Yavu, Neagoda. Taribnimpo, Buno Basics of Sokatuvukon. Mutumina Bidia Bidala. Lie us on the rest, but do the basics. Then, reason us out with the basics of that. Then we give you more time to do more. So as something we need to see. We need to see to inokulabako. Omune begwatu sekinokulabako. Snekenabino. Daroko TikTok, no TikTokuria kuragembuzi, ilvakula gabichi kakasa. There are video rabezeja, uzokuzo videos ibakwachi video there as a family, videos zili consistent ku family, ebizimbe ku family ebi, enyamachibalanga chetu, ofisi zabwe zezu, gya ekintu ekituufu, gyamba obulungi bwaffe, ennyama yaffe y'embuzi, embuzi namba, amagi gaffe agayina yero yoka enjuba eri ya yero, eri piwa, ekokeridde ne ku muddo. Ezaffe tuzita mu katimba, akatimba ekazi kasibe, ne zirya ku muddo wa Nezaleas, nyekuwa. Yo, tukuba omuddo bwe tugukwamu, seeds ne tuguwa enkoko nga guli green. Vuga obulira simanyi kyakibiti awo andenya kwata omuddo wezirya nguman. Gukoreko research, follow us at Jabuman, Gutamatin. The silage wabutemake mim, Monte. When Coco one here green. Or Redu Jabuguramu, or Kudukana. You gonna follow us on our TikTok and our YouTube channel. See when it's time to talk about chicken talk. We have the chicken talk coming. The chicken talk. The chicken talk. The chicks talk. We're gonna see how we time it. We're gonna talk about chickens. We're gonna talk about Leia's chicken. With Leia's chicken, that one is, I can say I'm an expert. With this birds farming, I'm immediate, but I'm open to learning. Or even though I'm an expert, I'm open to learning. And research is one of my hobbies. Reading is one of my hobbies. Listening is one of my hobbies. Please follow us at Sesanga Meets Farm, Sesanga Family Business for facts. Truth with real examples, with real facts, with real truth. Politics interferes with business. We should be careful. You can't know what is happening in Kenya, what's happening with the market, what's happening with the dollar rate, or what's happening with this when people come and treat, or this, the prices go down. You have to follow politics in order to succeed in business and in business. You have to. Let's speak about that too. Thank you for listening to the Sesanga Meets Farm. May God bless you. God bless Uganda. Please bow God's meet. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.